तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल में एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आप सभी का। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए ये सम लाया हूँ वेरिएशन चैप्टर से। तो क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। द एक्सपेंस ऑफ अ बोर्डिंग हाउस इज पार्टली फिक्स्ड एंड पार्टली वैरी with the number of boarders. Now each boarder pays rupees 390 a month. Now the profits are rupees 54 per head per month when there are 50 boarders and rupees 64 when there are 60 boarders. Now what is the profit per head per month when there are 80 boarders? चार ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, रुपीज 66.50, रुपीज 56.50, रुपीज 76.50 एंड रुपीज 86.50। तो फिर से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लेते हैं। द एक्सपेंस ऑफ अ बोर्डिंग हाउस इज पार्टली फिक्स्ड एंड पार्टली वेरी with the number of boarders. Each boarder pays rupees 390 a month. Now the profits are rupees 54 per head per month when there are 50 boarders and rupees 64 when there are 60 boarders. Now what is the profit per head per month when there are 80 boarders? चार ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। अब इसका सोल्यूशन देखते हैं। The profits are rupees 54 per head per month when there are 50 boarders. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट्स कितना है? 54 per head दिया ही हुआ है। The profits are 54 per head. The profits are 54 rupees 54 per head per month when there are 50 boarders in the boarding house, and rupees 60 per head per month when there are 60 boarders in the boarding house. Each boarder pays rupees 390 a month. Therefore, expense of boarding house on per head per month when there are 50 boarders. Each boarder pays 390. Profit is 54. The expense is how much? 390 minus 54. That is 336 per head per month. Therefore, total expenses of boarding house when there are 50 boarders. 336 into 50. That is 16,800. Now expense of boarding house on per head per month when there are 60 boarders. Each boarder pays 390 minus 64 is the profits. So expense is how much? 390 minus 64, that is 326. So total expense of the boarding house when there are 60 boarders is 326 into 60. That is rupees 19,560. Okay. Now let C1 and C2 denote the fixed part and variable part of expenses. दिया हुआ है the expense of a boarding house is partly fixed and partly vary with the number of boarders. Now let C1 denote the fixed part and C2 denote the variable part of expenses when there are n boarders in the boarding house. So C2 is directly proportional to the number of boarders. So C2 is Kn, where K is constant of variation. Now let C denote the total expenses when there are n boarders. So C is how much? C1 plus C2. C1 is fixed and C2 is Kn. Okay. We are naming it as equation 1. Now C is 16,800 when n is 50. Now putting these values in equation 1, what will get? 16,800 is equal to C1 plus 50k. The C1 plus 50k is 16,800. Name it as equation 2. Again C is 19,560 when n is 60. Now putting these values in equation 2, we are getting 19,560 is C1 plus 60k. So C1 plus 60k is 19,560. Name it as equation 3. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, we get for C1 plus 60k is ato, C1 plus 50k is ato. The C1 is getting cancelled. So 60k minus 50k is 10k and 19,560 minus 16,000 is 2760. So k is 276. Now putting k is equal to 276 in equation 2. Equation 2 is what? This one. So what we are getting? C1 plus 50 into 276 is equal to 16,800. So C1 plus 13,800 is 16,800. So C1 is 16,800 minus 13,800. So C1 is 3,000. Now putting the values of C1 and K in equation 1. Equation 1 we had this one, C is C1 plus K. Okay, so what will the C? 3000 plus 276N. Okay, now let X denote the total expenses of the boarding house when there are when there are 80 boarders. Then C is equal to X when N is equal to NT. Therefore from equation 4, so from equation 4 what we will get? X is equal to 3000 plus 276 into 80. So that is 3000 plus 22,080. That is 25,080 rupees. So hence the actual expenses are rupees 25,080 when there are 80 boarders. But 80 boarders pay rupees 390 into 80. That is rupees 31,200 a month. Therefore total profit of the boarding house when there are 80 boarders is rupees 31,200 minus 25,080. That is 6120. This is the profit. Now the profit per head per month is how much? 6120 divided by 80. That is rupees 76.50. So option number C is correct one. Okay, answer is 76.50 per head per month. Okay, thank you.